you they come out. You know the way well. Put 3 cups of garri for me. Next week I will pay. What wrong? You can't do come out. Ma, put 3 cups of garri for you. Next week you go give me money. What is it? Go back market. Come on, get that drum. That garri, don't chop am. My friend, put 3 cups of garri for me. I said next week I go give you money. Carry go enter street. I said carry go enter main you be thief. I said the see you so you be cheap. Oh, not carry my. You don't get sense, so. No, you don't get sense. Oh, see, as you just because I said give me 3 cups of garri. My friend, you give me 3 cups of garri. What you go do? You know, give me 3 cups of garri. I go give you. I said I go give you money next week. I said I don't agree. You don't agree. I don't agree. You don't agree. I don't agree. You don't agree. I don't agree. What you go do? What do you want? Agnes. Agnes. Agnes, who wants that? Hey! Agnes! Say they fear you. I don't fear you. I'm not going to fear you. See you. I don't fear you. I'm going to beat you. I'm going to beat you. Hey! What did I do? You're mad. Okay. I said that you give me garri. You know it. You see this garri? Nobody go to I want to get it. Nobody go to Agnes! 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 Nobody will jump. Yes! When she said you're tired. Nonsense. I'm going to go. Oh, we need well on a wine. Oh, we need well. Oh, we need 1 week, 1 trouble. This one where you don't take a bath. Today I will see you will use this bath. One day before I leave this community, they must pour you acid. Okay, Honey? Here na garden na try to up and down. One day before I leave this community, if they don't pour you acid, you don't say no to me. Chibana phone. Poor guy, my mama. Have the one like a 14 like this, today garri yellow and white like this. Chijo ya ka we gi no chi. No chinne. O no chi ga ka ga we ya. Ajo mmo. E were kwa garri triple color, ga ju ogi ni mo chi. Can you imagine? Every day, one day, one trouble. Which kind of woman be this one? See, this guy now. You want to pass fight, you must be fight. What the fuck?
Break down.
No be say the keke break down. You know break down. Just I don't tire, I know they go again.
Why they do this kind of more they go now? I enjoy this journey so. I never reach my house so.
You no get conscience, so madam. You know over how many hours why I don't carry you the waka waka? The waka waka up and down. You know they reach where you they go. Small pikin like you. Now you they push me around to go here, go here, go here, go. I know they go again. Come down, give me.
Let's say you the Chris. No, they see me as barrister of the law. They call me small pikin. Let's say they speak English for you. They switch your head. Eh? See, not try me. Oh, better carry me go ask now. If not, I go see you to court.
You go sue me to court. Barrister of the law. You think say na by grammar? May you not be saying this thing, this beret where you wear when I even fit you. Now you think say if you use the wine me. See, I don't want fight. I don't want rough handle you. Just give me my money, make I come out here.
Okay, make I just tell you something. I be lawyer, oh. If you try nonsense, you gonna see nonsense, oh. You know they use me to they play for my side. So if you use me play now, you go see what. Make I tell you now.
Okay, wait. Oh. So as you be lawyer, they tell you say any keke where you enter, you no go pay abi. We go make you, they intimidate me. Who you think say you be self? Not only you be liar where I don't dey see. All this chat and bail lawyer self. Eh? I'm not even sure whether you dey certified enough. You dey talk rubbish.
In Article 336
Okay, okay.
says, if the keke man is trying to extract money from you, you are going to sue him to court, and he will stay in prison for 5 years and do hard labor. You know what to be hard labor? Make I explain that for you. Hard labor that say, if they give you 300 by 300, you go clear and finish. Make sure it be like this ground. You see this ground? Now it be hard labor. So if you want carry me go ask, or you want drop me for here, or you want collect money, which one you want do?
Okay. Madam, I know they go again. But one thing is sure. God go judge all of una. You see all of una where they that law house. That place where una they make that useless rules. They spoil this country. God, if my God will not help me judge una. Hi. No worry. I know they go again. Your money, I know Kukuma need again. Just calm down gently. Thank you for the time wasted, and thank you for turning me around. Like say I be 360 angle. Just calm down, make I dey go. No wahala. I don't need money.
No be say this your keke self even had impact for my body. Nothing. Even when I dey inside this keke, guru. Now so I go dey receive pain for my body, pain for my. If I go ask now na parando, I go drink. Eh? No be say you had anything put. But let me just pity you. Let me pity you. I don't have anything to do with you. So.
Minute before I change that for you. Come on.
Take it easy with my things. My certificate is inside there. Oh. Yes, bring it. Don't go and touch my back. Just some well, oh. Oh, so you see the keke when you want to intimidate me, you know if it can help me.
I know if it can help you how. I be fighter, I be your backup. My dear, make I tell you, you see as I did, I know they join fight when no concern me again. Anything will be fight, anything will be quarrel when no concern me. I don't come out hand inside. You see this injury where they here now. Now waiting they happen. Who be that? And I made them took me this bottle. Fight when no concern me. That's why I want just go separate them. So come, then swam. As you see, I'm not so then swam.
Nah, because say you not get lawyer now, you are voiceless. You not get anybody to stand for you now. I wish I don't come by that time. That person for all the serve government. Punishment.
Wait.
That punishment.
Wait, not true. Wait. Makachi. What thing you wear so? Not be compassion clothes with this. What thing happen? You don't graduate?
No, I never graduated. I still get KG1.
Wait, make I ask you. Now tell her just so this thing give you. I've been a carpenter, just now can give you.
I don't understand you. When the government bring come up we wear. Since we don't graduate, you say na tell her. Which can be tell her? You know what they talk so.
Even if the government give you, no be so then go still so. I'm engineer they work.
Government tell her I saw this trend for me.
Okay, so you don't graduate now.
No, I never graduated. I still in school.
Shut down. You do okay. You look good on you. And Nagana must go. You take carry come. All your things now here then.
Oh, guys, it's okay. It's okay for you. Which they talk? I beg my mama ask for.
Child, Jesus. So the education don't even wash away the address of your mama house for you.
So you want me to sue you to court?
No verse. Your mama house just a bit far from here. No. Confirm. Hey, my law, legal practitioner, international. Hey, my lord.
Hey, my learned colleague. Section 14, subsection 18, paragraph 9. Hey! 41 pages, person don't go down. Just open paragraph 12 now, person don't go down. Hey, my lord, oh. Take them to God, sue them.
The law of good. Shut down. Every time so. Okay. I don't understand. What is it? What's it be this?
Take me out. Take me out. I am now barrister.
Confirm.
Yeah.
Esquire.
Mama, check me out.
Esquire. Esquire.
I don't understand.
I know say it go shock you. That's how it shock me too. You see, person wey just leave this village how many years ago? Instead of to go there go grow up, she grow shorter. Grow shorter.
You where they talk, you no get sense o. Because I don't understand who asked you. No, who asked you? See as you just dey talk like say you dey better. You no know say na small thing and you take escape this height. You no know?
Escape which height? Na me and the papa sef suppose measure height, but na small thing you even take top as this one. I know say they like short people.
Then get out. Get out. What do they even do for here? What do you see they do? They go. You don't try.
Maybe that because I come here now, because I help you find road to your papa house now. No problem. Now my good, now you go kill me.
Why did you throw my bag like that? Do you know what is inside this bag?
Now,
Do you know that my certificate is inside this bag? Are you trained like that? Do you know what is inside this bag? Take it to jail. My brother, you plan say you won't go to jail. You know what is inside this bag?
No vex, no vex.
You don't try. But they go now.
They go.
Yes.
Oh yeah, find me something now. So don't try for it. Even though now, make it.
Even though now wait. Come up for here. Do that your mouth. Make that your mouth remain open for the rest of your life in the place. I beg come up for here. You say even then give you waiting.
Get out.
So because I come here, now that they shower all this insult for my body, and nothing on go give me after all this trekking. Well, make I drop the bag away. I don't blame you. Very soon you go lost again. You go come.
Get out.
You go carry that bag. Come.
Mama, help me now. Mama, stop to take that bag. But I know that bag again. You don't see now my certificate inside that bag. Mama.
Bia. This bag. Begin talk because nothing makes sense to you. How you take it from there? Don't be 1 year you come up for this place. 1 year in Kete. 1 year you don't become lawyer. Who pay your school fees? How you take it happen? Now I want to know.
Mama, I bet you say you by now you go don't call your women. So they can't celebrate me because barrister don't pay your family now. Your pikin don't be barrister.
Forget that celebration thing. Answer my question first. Now when you answer, your answer sweet me. Are they satisfied with your answer? Now the relation will come. So begin talk.
You won't answer.
Answer what I ask you.
Okay. You know, Mama, you know say right from time I dey smart, I dey smart way. Even for your room self, I dey very intelligent. So as I come out, people come follow me, go sit down. That's why I come become like this. I don't be barrister now.
So continue, and the story never finish now. Continue.
So what's happening?
How you take become lawyer? Now I might ask you just the parabolate around the whole place. How you take become lawyer? You never answer that one.
Mama, forget all this question where they ask me. Forget them. See me now, check me out. Look, now barrister dey your family now. Mama, forget all those ones where you talk. I'm barrister now. Forget them. Discuss about that.
You know, say you don't get sense. She can sense like this, no day that you're scared. Your mates, they out there, they work, they come out, they work, they send money, they maintain their family, they support their family. You carry this your 2 short legs, come out here since last year. Come back with this dry, dirty, old mama wig. Talk say you be lawyer. You won't make a begin clap for you, no be so. No, make a begin clap for you now, because I know get sense.
Mama, if you know the kind thing what I want to do for this village, the kind establishment what I want to put for this village, you self go shop. Because the way the thing go, they bring money come outside, you go join me by force.
That's not deny you before. No, you don't experience denial before. You better brace yourself, oh, because the way I go take deny you when police go come here come find you, you self go shame for yourself.
Hey, Jim! That police. Oh, Kaza, do the Kaza. Oh, it's funny, I swear to God. It's very, very funny. You never hear say they arrest barrister for this country.
Because the barrister not be human being.
Mama forget though. Barrister na God.
Oh, you're going to shut that your dirty mouth. Close that your mouth.
Hey.
See, make I tell you. You better respect yourself. This one way you don't come back. You hear me so? You better respect yourself. This village, they're very calm since when you know they. Now when you don't carry your criminal head, come back. Fear is ananya. Because if you do anyhow for here, I go follow for the people. We go pursue you with stick like evil spirit come up from this community. No talk say I don't tell you. No talk say I don't want you.
Hey, Mama. If you know the kind thing I want for this village, even you and the villagers go celebrate me. No worry. Abeg, come give me something to catch up. Let me carry this bag, abeg.
N'ime ya dịla ọnya ma onye gwawara m n'ebe ahụ mama ekwuru n'okwu ya gbuola ọkụkọ ya wanụ m olu sam zuru ohi si mmarị ahụ ya kpara ụtalị pịawanụ m n'ahụ ledemetiwelunu arịlegigbuola n'otu nwa maka Kachi
Barrister Kachi.
no verse my mind no go there, you skip my mind. My barrister, the law herself, original. Barrister Kachi. No verse. You know, sir, I don't carry my papa goat. I carry our goat. Make I go tie them where they go chop. Before they tell me, say you, they call me.
Yes.
So I say, let me rush. Hope there is no problem.
No problem. I want to employ you for my business.
Which kind talk come be that one now? Which one be you want employ me? Which kind sort be that one now? You want employ me for work? Which kind you want me and you begin get problems? Which kind, if you want insult me, you cool down now, start and where? Which kind direct insult be this one now?
You go wait for me, make I talk finish, or you go continue to the talk. I want to employ you for this my business, and money they involved. I want to establish better courts for you. Make I dey help people wey be voiceless, wey like you, people like you wey don't get voice.
Wait. You want establish better court for this village? You want establish court here? You be judge? You go dey talk. If you want talk, you no go keep mouth well. Talk the one where person feel here. Which one be you be judge? No be school where you just finish the other day here. Even if you want open court to here, judge and bell now. Even if you want don't become lawyer, now charge and bell now you be for now. How you want to open court?
Hi.
You want open? Which kind of be that one? Hang your coat to where you feel collect am.
Hey, illiteracy. When I tell you make you go school, you say no. You say you no want go school. Illiteracy, now you be now. Lawyer and judge, which one they different now? Now the same thing. So far this one read law, this one read law. All of them are law. They read law now. So I feel run everything. I go run myself.
Are you serious?
He said, see, if I establish this business well, if I craft them well, now you go like and pass me.
Abi? Abi? Yes. I don't see point now. Nah, you for tell me now. Now the same thing all of una they read. So anybody can do anything.
Yes, now.
That's okay. So make I tell you my own. You see this business because say you say money down, no problem. I go join you. But if money come, now I go there. Once trouble come, once police van enter here, or you village youth carry firewood to knock person, boom, I don't go. I go leave you Japa because they no tie my placenta with your own together.
You see how you foolish. You see how this your sense. They don't use this your brain. Drink, Gary. They use it to volleyball, plaster your brain. Whether if they won't scrape and come out, you know if you scrape come out. Waiting won't bring villagers. When problem will for come, this village where I know. No fear happen now.
No problem. I understand. Nana, I understand where you they go. But I want to ask you, this law where una they go read? Una the first read insult before una read the law. Abi una go read the law finish, can't read insult. Because the amount of insult where they drop for my body, I don't understand. Are we on the same page?
This one is just stage 1. If I start stage 2, you no go like
No
me.
go that side, Abi. No go that side. Meanwhile, as you don't talk, say this business, if you start and money go they come out. I want to know now wetin go be my percentage for the business because the former deals what they do before, small business what they do before, I they like 50-50. I dey like 50-50. So how much go be my own percentage for your hand?
My own pass, charge and bill.
Yes.
Country had na hustle like day.
Make we start first.
My own pass, charge and bill. Country had na hustle like day. Make you not think I'm not case all day. If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I don't come to play. Only me na judge, only me na law. Hunger hook me for neck like butter. It come be like say me I won't buy. Now make I come the reason this format. Only me na judge, only me na law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as I show. My own pass, charge and bill. Country had na hustle like day. My own pass, charge and bill.
Jesus!
Country had na
Jesus.
What's up?
Madam, what be this?
look me well.
Ajuju.
Juju kwa? What do you want use juju do for law court?
This juju so. Anybody will come here with bad attitude, we no one talk truth. They see this juju now, they go. You see this juju? If they swear, say, if they lie, may they die. I swear to God, Makachuku, they go die. But you know, say Bible not a quick now. So I get it too. If this one don't work, this one go work. But now this one want the mainly to use because now they work fast. Bible not a quick.
Madam, this one they fear me. You know, say me and Juju, you know they work at the same way. Me and Juju know they work. Now be saying a combined service you won't do now because for just kuku go with Bible straight. Now we don't go do and plus now. So na plus you enter. No problem. Make I go put banner for side.
Charge and bill. Country had na hustle like day. Bad as it bad, we go do a job. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as I show. My own pass, charge and bill.
Why not hide this juju? Maybe put them back for your bag. If person come here, maybe don't they feel say the person won't lie, then you feel bring her out.
No, make it there here.
Make it there here.
Yes.
Don't put them back. The thing they give me miss feeling. You get as they do my mind.
So you get what you dey hide.
Ma?
You get what you dey hide.
No, make it there.
Country had na hustle like day. My own pass, charge and bill.
this girl just want to so she is serious. Ha! What's in beyond this ones now?
Do you want to die? Eh? No, say na juju you want touch.
Juju? You bring Juju enter this house? Juju from where? Eh?
But you know say I tell you say I want to check out for this place. Remember that time when I tell you I want to check out? Oh, you think, hey, you see this Juju? Now from Kuzu said I go carry him and I make him special for this one.
See your mouth. Waiting concern law, lawyer, barrister, and Juju. Meanwhile, who even carry you go? Cause now I want to know. Who show you road for Kuzu?
Mama, forget that thing. You see me, I be lawyer, but you see my own special lawyer, so and they use Juju. So in case you just lie like this, you go just kill once. Straight ahead, no crunching.
Hi. See, you see this trouble where they come, make it come. Eh? When the trouble finally lands and police come here to come carry you, the way where I go, they look you like say you know they exist. Even you self go shock. Make me better. Make me better.
Mama, forget this thing. I think when this thing go dey produce money like this, you self go join me. Don't worry.
I no blame you.
Leave am. Sorry, you go join me soon.
Make you not think I'm not case all day. If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know the light face, I don't come to play. Only me na church, only me na law. Hunger hook me for neck like bow tie. It come be like say me I won't buy. I make I come the reason this format. Only me na church, only me na law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. If you look me well, you gon' see say na streets are there. Anyhow, man must chop. Bad as it bad, we go to a joro. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I don't come to play. Only me na judge, only me na law. Hunger hook me for neck like bow tie. It come be like say me I won't buy. I make I come the reason this format. Only me na judge, only me na law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. hustle like that. If you look me well, you gon' see say na street are there. Anyhow, man must chop. Bad as it bad, we go to Ojoro. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay.
No, my lord, we don't try you. We don't try as well. Normally, na coke and gala or coke and bread, and soft bread or more. Now I suppose take the cool body now, make my warm way there my body now. They done the battle. We don't try.
Make I do as I know hear you well.
Yeah, they pay you.
What you talk? Bread and coke and gala, Momo. Where you want for see that one? No, we for chop bread and sardine now. Why you want for see coke and gala and this one and this one? We don't see clients today. Come, no make me vex so. I try and maintain my steez. You won't spoil them. No make me vex so.
No verse. Okay, this one why I talk now no enter. Oh, you know wahala, me would they go now. Since nothing come at me, we kuku they go. We don't try for the day.
Go where? I don't understand. You go where you want go?
Me would they go house now?
See, make I tell you. You see, say we don't work at this place. I hear we go. Go inside this side. Go. Mo go also.
My food don't finish, ma.
Your food don't finish.
My food don't finish. I know if you continue.
Your food don't finish. I take food. Drink when you get better food because water is life. You don't care as
No, I don't understand this thing, no. I don't understand this thing. Since morning, since 9 a.m., nine person don't the wakati now. Person we don't wakati. You know how many flesh where you give me? I don't share. I'm share. You know how many pieces where remain here?
Count how many pieces remain? I know how many I give you. So count how many pieces remain.
Okay, you say make we continue.
No.
You say na trekking go kill us. No, wahala, me would they go. No. Since na trekking won't kill us today.
Make you not think I'm not case are there. If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I don't come to play. Only me not judge, only me not law. Hunger hook me for neck like bow tie. It come be like say me I won't buy. Now you make I come the reason this format. Only me not judge, only me not law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire, oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like that. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like that. If you look me well, you gon' see say na street are there. Anyhow, man must chop. Bad as it bad, we go to Ojoro. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire, oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail.
This one you are walking and talking to yourself. You hope there is no problem.
What were you thinking? You ruffian fool.
Who be ruffian fool?
You.
Me, ruffian fool.
Yes.
Because I decided to check up on you. That's why you're calling me a ruffian fool. Hi, God. That's of this kingdom. Anyway, see, I will not take it harsh on you. Let me just free you. Do you know why? Because you don't even know the meaning of what you just said. Your English is very, very wrong. If to say this, your English is correct, I go give you correct insult. We go follow and up. But let me just free you because you don't know what you are doing. Meanwhile, if you are looking for a psychiatric hospital where you will go and cool off, we don't have one in this community. Yes, but if you are in trouble, because as I can see, you are in trouble, you can call me. I work with a law firm now. We can just help you out of your danger.
It is your father that needs psychiatric help from Uselu or Yaba, idiot.
My father?
Yes!
This man wants me to insult him, but calm down. Bobo, calm down. See, since you said it is my father that needs a psychiatric hospital, that means you don't need a psychiatric hospital. What you need is help. You need a lawyer where you are in trouble because this thing you are doing now, this walking and talking, before you know it, is either they kill you or you kill somebody. So if you need somebody that will help you, a lawyer that will take you out of this danger that you have find yourself in now, call me. Eh?
You have some point there. If I need a lawyer, how will I get one? Knowing that I don't know anything about the law.
Don't worry, we are here for people like you. My madam, the general overseer of all the cases in this community. Let me tell you, if you need a lawyer that will help you out of this trouble that you have find yourself in, our Chi, the gods, has blessed us with one superhero lawyer, a judge. Judge? Yes, to help people like you, the voiceless, and people like you that can find themselves in one trouble and cannot come out. There is a voice for you now. If you cannot speak, you have a speaker. That is it. So
I have a speaker?
You have a speaker. Your voice now will make meaning. Bam. Established.
Hey!
Established, Siam.
Hey!
Legendary, superhero. Give your son, let him read, so you can come to our place and take it off.
Wait. Wow. So we have a lawyer in this village.
Brand new.
Hey!
Brand new.
This is so nice, oh, so nice, oh. But them employing you, it's an error. Ukabu. Error, big error for them to employ someone like you.
Them employing me is an error.
Yes.
Because I decided to help a troublesome man like you. That's why you say then, don't worry, when you get to the prison, or when some people take your property, when people take your things, and you will have no voice for yourself, you will know if I'm an error or not.
No, wait. It's just a slip of...
Now so you will sleep inside cell very soon. Very soon you will sleep inside prison.
Just calm down. I'm sorry. I will follow you to your chamber. If you can do, you see, my only plot of land, they want to take it from me. They want to take it from me, and I won't have anything. See, if you can help me, to solve this problem, I will pay whatever it is. Let me follow you.
You see how loyal you are now. You see how loyal you have become. So somebody even want to take your only plot of land.
Yes, those sons of Nebuchadnezzar.
And you are using your only mouth of trouble to even insult the only man that can help you.
It was a slip of this thing.
Ogago, we have closed. You can come tomorrow by 2. My madam will be there waiting for you. Come to our chambers. The address, everything is written there.
Tomorrow by 2.
Once it's 2, come.
Hey, 1:30, I'm there.
Respect yourself when you come, oh. My madam has anger issues, oh.
No.
Next thing, na Black Maria Fiam, you there.
I am gentle. Don't worry, I'm gentle. Hey. Have a lawyer. Don't worry, I'm gentle. I will remain gentle. Hi. We have a lawyer in this village. Hi. Something good. Oh. Hi. Wait. We have it.
Wetin dey happen for here? No single client for here. Wetin now?
The thing tire me, oh. The thing even tire me. Now make I even, as I stand here and I dey verse. Wetin happen? Why people never come now? I think as we hang this banner, say people go just dey troop in. I been even think say na queue then go there. We go come dey select the case one by one. What's going on?
See as you dey talk. Where the client wey you say you wan bring come? Where you say e dey come? Where e dey?
Oga Linus. Me sef, I don dey look for him. I don dey look out for him since. If I hear voice like this, I go check whether na him because The kind pressure wey Oga Linus dey yesterday, I know say he must come. As I even give him 2 o'clock, he say 1:30. He don't dey here. I can't dey wonder why is he not here yet. But I believe that he will be here because he said his only land, that people want to take away his only land that his father left for him. So he must be here for justice to prevail.
This kind of time, no dey like this kind of thing. I dey hungry. No dey hungry already.
You dey hungry?
Yes, now.
That one no be issue. Now just tell your mama make you give us food. I been seeing when she dey arrange small yam porridge. Make she just help us bring small meal chop.
That's why never even stitch up for this morning. Now you won't give me food. When you want for see am?
They cook that. Your mama never chop since morning. She never chop since morning. Ha! And you self will be lawyer. They hungry kwa. Shut down. So how me go come do? You dey hope on where? My client.
I just dey put hope on this client. So say if you just come like this, I put that money where you stay go shop first.
Okay, now my client you dey even hope. And for my client you dey hope to chop.
Your client. I don't understand. If na your client, who won't judge the case?
No worse, no worse. Now there you put your hope. Now hopelessness won't kill us now. We dey hopeless as we dey.
I don't be hopelessness.
Me and you dey hopeless
I
because.
do dey hopeless.
My lord, make I even ask you. How you go take talk say you wey be lawyer say you no even get money to take chop food? Make I ask you. All the cases where you don't dey even judge for where you dey before you come back here. Money you know they come out, they know they pay you.
Come on, shut up. Shut up. You just say money no, they not they pay me. The money where I used to buy this cloth for you and the one where I used to come back or wait to be that.
Okay, now your transport and this okrika wake up, now you use your money.
Oh, now Krika. Yeah, enter inside, go change them.
Ma?
Go inside, go change them.
I know verse now. Now London use now original.
No, now Krika.
No,
go inside, go change
Now
them.
raw material, you do okay. Now raw material, yes. You do okay.
See,
If you
I'm
look me
grateful,
well,
man.
well, you gon' see, say, now street are there. Anyhow, man must chop. Bad as it bad, we go do a joro. Exactly. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire, oh, as a show. My own pass, charge and bail. Oh, country had na hustle like day.
Makachi Supreme Court
My
of
own
Law.
pass, charge and bail. Country had na
Is this
hustle
not
like
that bag
day.
of trouble of a woman's compound?
My own pass,
How come
charge
is the
and
courtroom
bail.
in a troublemaker's compound?
Country had na hustle like day.
Supreme. Madam. No.
My own pass,
There is a need
charge
for
and
me to find
bail. Country had na hustle like day.
Who is here?
Hey! Hey!
Hello?
Show up, sir. Oh, correct, sir.
Why are you putting your hand up? Come on, will you drop your hand down?
Sorry.
Are you a policeman?
No verse, mommy. My lord, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
And you? Why do you come late to the courtroom? Eh? Do you think the courtroom is your house?
No.
In Article 13, Section 4, verse 4, I quote, "Thou shalt not come late to the courtroom, or else court slack." Telling me his punishment.
Ma, you said that the law will collect 20,000 from him. Or he will be thrown into a dish, into a dark dish, and he will be there for 15 years. That is 15 years imprisonment straight.
Yes. So now, my brother, choose one. Choose one. No. Sharp.
But nobody told me, oh. I just came here to lay complaints. I didn't know.
Nice decision. Court clerk, call the court police when they come carry him.
Make I tell you, my madam used to tell us that ignorance is not an excuse for you to break the law. Once you dey ignorance, you go inside cell, go solve your problem. Make I call them.
Please, don't call. I will pay the fine. Let me pay.
Hey, so you know say you go pay. Why you gonna stress me now? You
So
dey stress
begin
me.
pay now, fast.
The only problem is that I don't have cash on me.
Make transfer.
It is not a problem. There is POS.
Organic.
Ngwanya card.
Organic.
Mama,
Huh?
why you for CPOS?
No time to explain now. Business calls.
Oga, wait, wait, my lord. How we go take if you collect them with POS? How we go take redeem the money?
My brother, he shocked me as he shocked you.
I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. The cash you go pay, I been a wire, oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail.
Order.
Mr. Len.
Country had na hustle like that. My own past, charge and
Hit
bail.
it on your head 3 times and swear that anything you say in this court must be the truth and nothing but the truth.
If you look me well,
I'm ready to say the truth. I will always say the truth. But I cannot swear by charm. I cannot swear juju. But even the person that I brought this case against, he's not even here.
Mr. Lino, you know say illiteracy no good. See what illiteracy they do you. You don't know why they say make you carry juju swear. Now because of your name. When I go just there, they answer anyhow nonsensical name. You know hear your name?
My name na Linus now.
Bam! You mean say you dey lie pass devil? You mean say nothing will come out from your mouth na true? You mean say ni ibwa pass? Now make the one make you swear with juju.
Madam Agnes, make I tell you, I'm very, very proud of you. In fact, since I know you for this life, this is the first time where you dey make sense.
And my mama is a talk to. And my mama.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor. And but now the first time where they talk something, we get head, Sha. Mr. Man, you hear this thing where she tell you now? Now the truth and nothing but the truth. You know hear your name? Linus, no be only lie, self S damn. Linus. Meaning say your lie plenty. So we no fit believe you just like that. That's why you must swear. This thing self now even 3 times she say make you knock him. Me go tell you make you knock him 10 times. Hit her for her head 10 times.
Are you go that place, go one?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I'm ready to swear. I will swear.
Oh, yeah, take
I will swear because I always say the truth. I want my life back.
Chero. No rush enter wetin you no go fit come out from.
Do what?
This juju wey you dey see now, na better juju straight from Okuzu.
Hey!
If you carry that thing, swear, and you dey lie, because I never see Linus for this life wey don talk true. If you swear this thing and you dey lie, Mokachi, you go meet your ancestors today. Think am well, oh.
Carry am now, Okuzu.
I go swear. I want my life back. I go swear.
Carry am now. Okuzu Okanuzu.
Hey, o buru kwari e buru.
Oparale. Mmonu.
Ewuchim.
Eat it on your head 3 times.
Wetin be that? You done the lie already with this swear now. Hit am hard.
No. I know the lie. Make I use 2 hands. Let me use 2 hands.
2 hands hit am. Make we hear the sound. Boy for your head.
Okay.
Boy, confirm. Hold am there. Oh, it's okay. Hold am there.
I, Linus, I swear that I will say the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me.
Confirm.
Wait. Tell her say if you lie, what you go happen to you?
Talk am.
May I take the land?
No.
Make them do waiting. Lie.
You know if you happen.
Take waiting.
Because they don't take them already.
Now land matter carry me come here now.
They feel bury you there. Talk.
Mama.
If you look
Mama.
well,
What if the meaning of that thing what you do today?
na street are there.
I do plenty things today. Which one you did?
Oh, Mama, no, they tell me that kind of thing. No, they tell me that kind of thing.
Okay. If the one where you talk now say I carry myself come rescue our family business, leave am like that. Yes, na me do am. I can't rescue our business now.
Okay, you dey call our business. You dey call our business now. Say no be you talk say if anything happen to this business, say your hand not dey inside. No be you still talk say anything wey I dey do so if they catch me, na me no.
Now because say that time I don't know say money dey inside. But now where I don't know say money dey. Forget matter. I don't put myself on the business. And you see this business, I dey behind you with my full chest. Nothing dey happen.
Okay, your full chest. But Mama, you make I tell you one thing. But you know say this business where you want to do so, na risk. How you want take?
See this one. I not blame you, Shebi. You carry wig for head. Your mind they tell you say you wish abo. Now you be the defender of the universe. See, make I tell you, you know hear my scores before you come back to this village. Eh? Now me be Mrs. Risky herself. Me. Ah, they know me well now. Before you come back here, now me they settle case. If I no take slap, settle the case. I go take woozing and beating, settle the case. Or once I show and they see me, the case go settle itself. Now you come here, they ask me whether I go. Forget that thing. You know waiting go happen for this year courtroom if them here say I dey involved. Only my presence alone, you go take this year court from 0 to 100. They go know say steez, they compose your day. I dey tell you the truth. You don't know what you get.
You want join share? Now court police be your department.
Court police, what's in that one they do?
Any person who are charged guilty, you go carry and go jail. And now you go create jail by yourself. You go carry and go jail. Now you go determine the punishment where the person need. And then you go sew your uniform.
Hey, I like that one. You know what thing go fit me, oh? Hey, then go hear am for this village. Then go hear am. But wait, oh. Why you go come be me go get my own uniform?
The only first client we will get now he come now, which is now Oga Linus. I'll be our first client. So wait, the money go for come outside.
Forget about customer. Forget about that one. I know this village well. I know all the troublemakers. I know where them they dey. So I go carry on, go there, we go catch them red-handed. Yes. But my problem now, why I go to work for you? I go come take my money so uniform.
I no beg you, may you come join me. Now you say you want join me. I force you. No.
Okay, now so you take talk am. Now so you take talk am. No worry now. So if I dey work for you, I go sew my uniform. Now so they do.
Yes, now me sew my own. Government no give me.
You know what? Now me go sew my uniform. Okay, I go use that money where I collect from that man. I go use and sew.
No, mama, no try am.
Make you not think I'm not case are there. If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I don't come to play. Only me na judge, only me na law. Hunger hook me for neck like butter. It come be like say me I won't buy. I make I come the reason this format. Only me na judge, only me na law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had now.
Hey! What is that? Where you dey go?
I beg.
Where you dey go?
I will give her the money now. I beg.
I say you don't know who you dey talk. Who dey shine eye? Mad. Where you carry dey go? Come still carry cutlass join am. Come carry the two offences they work out for government rule. You don't know say na offence? It's a crime.
Crime. So person they owe me for the past 3 months. Better no come catch am.
No talk. No, leave her. Make I ask a question. Person where they owe you for 3 months now. That is why you carry cutlass. Attempted murder hold am for waist. Make I ask you, how old are you now? How much do you think you are owing the government? Because I know say you never pay tax since when they born you. If the same way you bring you certificate or slip for your tax now, you never pay 1 naira since when they born you. How much you think say they owe us government now?
I know that.
Hi. Even though say they owe you. See, when owing person become crime, because I know say if in their country they owe, other countries they borrow. So why you don't hold on? Constant for government road. This is murder, attempted murder, kidnapping, and armed robbery. Yes.
You know what you are doing? I'm taking you to jail for 41 years imprisonment. Act chapter 4 verse 5 says, anybody that is carrying cutlass and pursuing his fellow human being with cutlass will go to 41 years in imprisonment.
Yes.
Or you pay fine of 50,000 naira. And you don't person you can live freely. No offense person. And for your offense, you are going to pay the sum of 15,000 naira, or you'll be taken to jail. No, you take to the prison. And you go spend years imprisonment.
Because you no go collect person money too. You no go give am the money. Now offense, very stupid boy. So your combined offense now is too much. So you better pay to bail yourself here and now, or me, I go carry you now. Go sell.
Yes.
Choose one.
Okay, you dey threaten am. This guy think say na wait, make I record am now. Make I record.
Which evidence?
Hey! Why you do one?
You try am. So are you going to pay now or you go to jail?
Stay waiting. I better go and come up.
Hey! Oga, go back there. You no dey mad. Ngba, shake body.
You dey pay abi you no dey pay? You think say na joke we dey here? You no dey here. Pass from this side.
You know bro, we get evidence.
We will go hold you. Pass here. Evidence is fake now.
Pass now. In fact, what police carry am all the go?
You want me to carry you?
I better go settle.
Come dey waste our time. Hey, do transfer. Make we dey go for here. You sef begin the shake body.
My lord, my lord. Because of out of my essence, shut up. I go knock you out of my essence magnanimity now. When we see this guy this time.
Pay tax.
Because he's a boss citizen. You see, and this one look like a acquired citizen.
Oh,
This
yeah.
one a boss citizen. Make I call. No, make I call my.
Na my own. Na my own. 90 55 222 481.
Because if this boy pay this 59, he go through this one by mistake. Oh yeah.
Don't send them.
Hey, this
You want to
evidence.
pay another time?
This evidence go there against you. In case you come back, don't say one or two.
All this money na for your
You
head.
dey
Nobody
threaten
dey
am.
calculate
You
am.
dey threaten am. Hey! Don't waste time, oh.
If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know the look face, I know come to play. Only me not judge, only me not law. Hunger hook me for neck like butter. He come be like say me I won't buy. Make I come the reason this for my only me not judge.
Nah, my lord. Now food get you and she see me like this, hunger won't kill me. And this thing is not supposed to pay me self. I never even see shishi for this movement. I don't do this work now. With something don't they come out. I never see shishi. Now when hunger kill me, you go begin give me something. Even if na small like this, they give me make I take the whole body. You get as it be now. I go sweat inside this clothes, sweat, tire. Small thing I know they see. You think I'm now? You get as it be.
This kind matter, na office they supposed to discuss them. So go office.
Na table talk. Now very simple. You tell me now.
Country had na hustle like this.
Sit down.
My own past charge and bell. Country had na hustle like this.
Court clerk. Na salary they pay them every month ending.
I don't understand, man. Excuse me, man. You say na month end. Every month end now I go to see money for this work.
Yes.
That one no work now. Now be say my pump work better pass because by now I no go to find money for food. I go don't get money where I go take the wrong one. Food no be my problem. So I go they do my pump work.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. They do the calms. And what ending you go receive your money?
And talking about this my money self, I beg man. How much can be my salary self? How much be my salary? Make I know. How much I go to expect?
Wait till they talk from this your mouth. Wait till they talk from this your nonsense mouth. I don't understand. So you won't try to tell me say that contract where you sign, you no remember them?
Contract where I sign. We sign any contract? Which contract be that one?
So you won't try to tell me say that paper where I give you make you sign put, you no remember them? My name is this. Yeah, take. Sign for you.
Hmm?
Sign for you. Okay, in case say you don't know what to be signature, make I explain and go your level. Signature means say you go write your name for down here.
If I no come sabi write my name, unko.
Then you go KG1, go learn am.
See, make I tell you, see, you dey insult me, oh. Makachi neke, you dey insult me. Forget say me and you dey wan do business. You dey insult me. Me and you no be mate, oh. I senior you. If I no give you, I give you 20 years. I give you like 20 years for age. I just dey tell you.
Hey, see, make I tell you here. Age is just a number. And you just stop for nothing sake. Make I tell you, now me be the brain box where they here, oh. And me be the brain box where bring this business come outside.
Age.
So your age and your tallness is just rubbish.
Age is just a number.
Yes.
That's why you be like number 1 for grand.
Leave am make I be.
Martina bottle no.
You go sign, you no go sign.
I don dey try sign am now. Martina bottle, dey hard to break. You go see Amstel malt bottle like this. You go thick for grand.
Give me some.
Nothing dey inside. Take. They insult your elder like say
You
they
elder.
no teach you respect.
If it dey easy, go start your own business.
You don't do. Wait. You don't explain to me now. You don't explain. You just bring something make I sign. I just sign. Wait. Me I no go gree. Oh. If that one na contract, me I no go gree. Oh. Wait. Oh. You know say we dey make over 20 times that money where you talk say you go dey pay me there. 7,000. No be 7,000 I see there. Wait, na 7,000 you go dey give me for a whole month from beginning of the month till the end. No matter wetin we make, na 7,000 I go collect. That one na my transportation, na wetin be that one?
I know say you be into volleyball. I don't know say you was past that one. I don't understand you. You dey take colos, abi you dey take small thing later. So you don't see when they read that big 7,000 naira as it big, well, they write am big. 7,000 naira for that paper where I give you make you sign.
I see am.
So which kind question you could ask me now?
I no go collect am. As I see that 7,000, I no say I think say that one na everyday money where you go dey give me where I go take the whole body before time reach when you go pay me. I no say na that one be my salary, so I reject am. No wahala, take the work. Make I kukuma go back to the pump work with them take know me. No need, I no go fit take that money.
You know what to be a lawful termination of contract? Unlawful termination of contracts.
Wetin be that one?
That means if we government no sack you and you won't sack yourself, that means you either pay fine or you go prison.
Wait oh, if I say I no dey work again, I go prison. I kill person, I steal person something. Which one be if I say I no go work again, straight to prison?
Let's say you know they understand this our job. This is our job, so even though say you keep person or you carry person, so far government don't give you wetin you dey do, which na job. You know fit comot. It's either you pay 150,000. That is for the fine. Or you go to 15 years imprisonment.
Okay, you unko. What if you say now, can't say you know they work again? Wetin go happen?
If me, I say I want decide put this cloth like this now 1.1 million. I go pay.
1.1.
That is 1.
Hey, Jesus. So now, so this work dey dangerous.
That's what I don't understand. If I pay the 1.1 million now, I go jail. So it gets as this work then they be.
But madam, now as you don't see say risky way dey this job too much. You see the risk wey gather this work, it's too much for me. When you help me increase my money now, even if na something add than now, so that at least I go feel come, I feel die. If it be hunger go kill me for this work. Before government go even see me put for prison, hunger don't kill me.
See, as I take the years so with all my qualification, all the things, all my brain, the book and everything what I don't read for this life, now 10,000 they pay me. That means I get level pass you now. Now 3,000 I take pass you. That means you get level pass my mama. Now 2,000 you take pass my mama. My mama now 5,000. So you can't thank God say now your own na 7,000. My mama will be 5,000 come. I want to do one.
Money no dey this one a business so.
And the worst thing be say they can't give us targets. Say if we no reach so target like this, say they go deduct for our money. So we need to work hard.
A chief judge like you, chief judge, na be 10K. How much come be your school fees? Ha! Now wow.
I don't understand.
All the school where you go, your salary 10,000. Me when no even go school, only 3,000 you take pass me. Your mama when no even break chalk one day, even get free 5,000. What thing can be the reason for school where you go?
You want add money to my own?
No verse. You say they say if we know hustle well,
Yes, they go collect from money.
they go even collect from the 7,000 where. That means say before month to end, that fee can end up for 3,000.
Even to 5 safe.
Or even 1.5.
Yes, anyone.
No, my dear, we go find work. People go get case for this community. Who no gree bring case, we go put case for him head. Make sure say work they go on.
We go make sure say they find trouble.
Or trouble go find them.
Yes.
Shebi you say if we work well, our money fee go up.
Yes.
Don't worry, case go come. Well done. All correct. No wonder then they even call on a court. Because no occultic something with this. If you don't enter, you don't enter. You know if you come out.
You must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay adina wire oh as a show. My own pass charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day. My own pass charge and bail. Country had na hustle like day.
Hey, I catch you today.
If you look me well.
Thank God, I meet you today.
This one, you wear so. No, I don't understand. Because as they look, you never too old, but people like say you don't get dementia. What you gonna concern me and you? People like say you know they see well, or maybe you know wake up well this morning. Because I don't know as you just see me now and begin to shout, say, how? What you concern me and you now? I want to know.
Agnes, come and pay me my money.
People like say you know they get yourself. What you gonna concern me and you? See, madam, from today, if they talk to me with respect. Level don't change. Sure, they see so. Everything don't change. You see that beating what I give you the other day? Now civilian style beating. Madam, if get as you go do here, I go give you military style beating. And if I beat you finish, I go still carry you go jail. You the craze. You the mad.
Oh.
If I say that beating not there enough, I go wound you on that one. Oh.
Agnes, because I pity you that day.
Huh?
Because I had mercy on you because people were begging me to pity you. And I had mercy on you. Okay, you're now whining your mouth here. Yeah? No problem. So just go and give me my money. You're going to make Naka first.
People, they beg you.
Yes.
People, they beg you.
Yes.
Julius beggar.
Because you think people are afraid of you. That me, Paulina, will be afraid of you. Not possible.
Madam, see, make I tell you. I be government speaking now. You dey hear me so? If you vex me, I go make sure say you go jail. And shape your mouth the way they talk to me from today. Because anything you say from today will be used against you in the court of in the court, no, in fact inside court. You know the craze. See, make I remind you because if like say your medulla oblongata know they work well again. I come your shop. I come buy something. You begin freestyle with your mouth. Yeah, I hear you all know. Now I come woz you, give you better beating. Then I can't go. That's the way I come by. You no say to me. Me too, I don't give you money. How I take the owe you?
The goods damage didn't call.
Huh?
Won't you pay me?
Which good?
The goods damage, won't you pay me?
Na collateral damage now. Damage of war. So, all is fair in war and love. You know that here and before. Anyway, you no go school. How you go know? So, you see that money? No, ask me again because you know the craze. You're mad. See, if they burn you where, if you see me again, ask me for that money. Agnes. If I don't roll you for grand, no say. Agnes. No, if they burn you where, cross my path again.
Agnes.
If you don't go prison, no say no be me.
See, I don't run from you. I don't run. See, I go put you up for years, sir.
Now start you take the run.
Me. You Kuchaburujo.
See,
now I tell you. Forget.
No, you first stand now.
Forget.
Oh, we are. I think say you know the
I just pity you. Forget.
You dey pity you. I don't blame you.
Next time if I see you,
See, levels don't change. As you're looking at, levels don't change. And not the way you feel do about time. You hear me so?
May I follow you?
Madam, Madam, in fact, come. You are going to prison. Where you they go? No, come now. You don't go to prison. Hey, you fool. I don't blame you. In short, if like I go save money, go buy handcuff. Now this handcuff, why no go? Now you make this useless. See, they see me and my
For what?
Napoleon, come. Waiting they happen. This one where they shout on the top of your voice. Waiting they happen.
Is it that woman, Agnes? Can you imagine? Agnes came to my shop, destroyed goods from my shop. I told her to pay. She said, lie. That woman is stubborn. Said she don't go pay. She don't go do anything.
Which Agnes? Is it Makachi's mother?
Yes, now. Who else?
Why now?
Ha.
No, why she go take laws into her hand now? What thing bring this one? No, this one now law she just break now. Now because say you never sue her to court now. If you say you don't sue her to court now, she go get mad to do this one.
Sue her to which court? The one being controlled by her daughter.
If it's being controlled by her daughter, what thing go happen?
If it is you, will you send the mother to prison?
Madam, let me tell you, the law is a respecter of no relationship, no family member, nothing. The law no they look face at all. And that Makachi I know. Makachi is a very impartial person. She know they do partial at all. As long as say you bring the case now to her table, come bring the money where she say make you bring. Leave am. The person don't go prison. If you like, make it be her godmother, make it be her natural mother, make it be her spiritual mother. It no even matter. The person they go prison.
Wait. Even against her own mother.
What are you saying? Now even her mother own nice sweet pass because now 2 handcuffs like this, 2 handcuffs, even for leg, straight inside Black Maria, boom inside prison. What do they talk? Eh?
Are you sure?
Let me even ask you. Okay,
sure.
Let me ask you. If she is to be in Makachi's shoe, not be straight inside prison, let me tell you, the law has no conscience, no feelings at all. They know the judge and say, now my family member, now this one, now you God self go put them inside prison. They know they do that one for law.
So you are very sure of what you are saying. So Badro, no problem. You will see me there first thing tomorrow morning.
Let me tell you, madam, the higher the money you bring, the higher your justice. And the higher the money you bring, the higher the money you will recover. The justice will give you, you will recover your money in quantum. I mean, they tell you, think we are joking there.
No problem. Let me just go home and prepare the money. Since I will get back my own money.
You say you are coming tomorrow morning?
First thing tomorrow morning.
I will come and pick you. I will come to your house. Immediately I prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemy for our house there. I will come pick you.
Omaka.
Go,
Omaka. Can you imagine?
You are very angry. The presence of your
I don't hear. I am angry. I dey vex.
Vessel. No grief for anybody. Vex more. More anger you become, more justice you collect. Can you imagine? You dey shout your fellow woman scatter your goods instead of you to fight them. Fight them with all your energy. You want come collect justice.
So they bring come my table.
Which case be that?
Now, one woman where you dey owe for market.
Ha! Oh, hey. Oh, so that yeye woman get mind. Carry that case, come our court. She don't get sense, oh. I think say she get sense. How she won't win for our court? She carry case come. Nine beside don't win am now. I go win am for market. I go still win am for our courts. Aye!
Mama, not be like that until they will come for you. Oh, be so. You did this court now. You be my worker. You supposed not add this my court till they go. Now money and the win case for you.
Chedu, make I understand what you want to. You dey try talk say me. I go pay to win case for our court. Mba, I won't understand. Me, your mama, go pay you money. So I go win case for our court.
Mama, this is why they say our court. Like I tell you, court is not the respect of any person. Whether you be my mama or whether you be speaking or whether you be papa or whether you be any person. If they want judge case, they go judge case based on your crime what you do. So me, when I want judge your case, I go judge her based on your crime what you do. So better go find money, bring come, make you settle your case.
You they call me criminal. You never even judge case, you don't they call me criminal. You they crazy, so you they mad. See, make I tell you. You see that thing where you they think, no triumph. In fact, you see this thing where you talk now, no even think calm. Not even in a whisper because you know they're mad. Why are you not going to win case for our court? Court, when my daughter be judge, you they mad?
Well, this one when you just say my daughter be judge, you carry money give me for school fees. You carry me go all the class I go where I pay money.
If you say that week where you carry for head, now they make you feel say you don't pass your mama. They mad though. Now me born you. You don't hear me so now me born you. If to say I not born you, you not go see money go school. That school where you talk say you go, you the crazy. Make I know win that case. Make I know what's in concern. You know what?
I'm go pay money or I tell you.
You the crazy. See now me born you. You get as you go do anything now. I go send you back where you come from. I don't blame you. Shebi you carry week for head now. For your mind, you don't big pass your mama. Make I not win that case. Make I know what's happen. Make I not win that case.
I don't tell you.
Oh, you can be queen. Now lie. Now you see that case. We don't do it.
I am.
Make you not think I'm a case are there. If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I know come to play. Only me na judge, only me na law. How can hook me for neck like butter? Come be like say me I want pie. Make I come the reason this format. Only me na judge, only me na law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had my hustle like that.
Madam, meanwhile, I want to ask you something.
My own past.
You have to discuss behind the scene with the judge before anything. You have to discuss with her. You have private discussion with her.
So how do I go about that?
You will wait here. Let me inform the judge. Let me just bring her to you. Because if you mistakenly do anything here, her mother see you with the eye. Na clash of titans, you don't enter with that.
No
So hold on here. Let the judge come and see you first.
No problem.
Hold on here.
I'll wait here.
What problem is this? What kind of wala is this?
My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like that. My own past, charge and bail. Country had
I one maka. Chuku metro maka. Chuku mere No, which kind name be that one now? Mbe kana kpọnụ Chuku buru gi n'ụkwụ. No, Chuku mara nu gi ishi. Which kind name be, you know why you know if you call me as others they call me, just call me Meto. Why you can't complete the name?
Jero, Shebi, if you never run your mouth like damage radio, you no go rest. As that one they pay you. Mbano ekwensu buligaka.
Ajo mo hogro gi. Amosu dara gi n'ime.
You know even they like onye Chuku metro aka self.
Ọ gbasara gi?
Nonsense.
My Lord Joe. How you doing? You have a client outside.
Tell the person to come in now.
Here no be office again. If person wants see us, now make them come inside.
Private
clients.
Meaning, don't see him.
Go see the person now.
Social media. The corporate affairs. Social media. Eco Atlantic. Wanyike. Royal Rumble. Catholic Church.
make you not think I'm not case are there. If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I don't come to play. Only me na judge, only me na law. One guy hook me for neck like butter. Come be like say me I won't buy. I make I come the reason this format. Only me na judge, only me na law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. The cash you go pay, I be na
Objection overruled. Cross dissolve.
You asked of me.
Yes, I asked to see you because I want you to find justice for me. I need justice. Justice. I need justice. This is 20,000 naira.
No problem. But to remind you, this is not what they call bribe. Because in Article 566 says, if you are trying to bribe the lawyer, you'll be sued to jail.
Exactly, my lord. Madam, it is written in parentheses in episode 12, paragraph 4, section 9, subsection 500.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
So now waiting the plan to do that.
Let's go to my chambers.
The law! The only woman with the superpower. Breathing orchestrator. Final
Country have na hustle like this.
You see you never show say you no get sense. Are you no get sense? You no get sense. Are you no get sense? Person go see as your head big. They go think self brain dey inside. Pay me my money. They no go know say na air full am. You dey mad. So you get liver carry case. Come my court. You can't say you go win. Why not go win? Equal like an tipo boy. Okay. Inu film that kage man akwa bread.
God!
Come here. Order. We wait till we get a please.
What did they saw for you now? Now don't forget say now my courtroom now there.
Yes, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
Bia, my lord.
I won't see you.
No. We are in the middle of a discussion.
No go there. See, this thing where I want tell you now. Now the thing where we they do before we pass judgment. In fact, now the thing where court police supposed to do first before them pass judgment for this court. So follow me.
My lord. Where to?
No. If you don't cool that your big nyash for sale, no say no be me.
Agnes, be coming down, oh. Be coming down. Be coming down, oh.
My lord, watch out, oh. Anyhow, I dey game, man. I dey for you.
How far? I hope I'm on the right track.
What are you saying? See, let me tell you, in the law court, it is only the criminal who runs up and down. You see, as on her voice dey high now, it is the criminal that has the higher voice. That's why she left with our judge. So don't worry, everywhere good. Abina, you be the criminal. Me, my lord, any hour, any bracket. Something they do you. Okay, so now me you want go disgrace, no be so. No, you want disgrace me now.
Why you call the drag me like that now? I don't understand.
How you go understand? How you go understand? Because for your short mind now, you think say you get sense. You think I no see you. You think I no see you as we collect bribe from Mrs. Paulina. Okay, so because of that shaking money where you collect from her now, you want disgrace me, your own mama. Now so you they do.
Oh, so now because of that one, now I make you disrupt my court section.
You know say I no blame you. I no blame you at all. Not this small money where you just they collect up and down. Now it make you they feel say you get right to disrespect your mama. Your mama, your own mother, woman where born you, where give you life. Hi.
Mama, if you want to insult me direct. No the bam matter.
Why I don't need to insult you. See, make I tell you. Now all this nonsense where you they do. Now you make that run, you cry away through your head. Now you make you no grow tall. Yes. Now you make you day shaking, you day 3/4.
Oh, you can't. I think you make you insult me. You can't insult me.
Why I no go insult you?
Oh,
After you don't insult
me.
yourself.
We could see who be who now for court. Come court.
Hey, yeah. Your person know they play with you. You two they take this life too serious. You follow for why you short. See, I be your mama. Don't do this thing where you want to. You know, say if you disgrace me for where this woman dey, now my story now they go they talk for market, and you no good for me. It's not even good for you. In fact, you know Kokoma good for our business. Even if you no want protect me as your mama, protect me as your worker now. You go good say you disgrace your court police. Your court no go get steez oh, if you try am. Now this uniform, now you just want rubbish. You no good.
See, make I tell you, justice is given to whom is due.
Country cat na hustle like that. If you look me well, you gon' see say na street are there. Anyhow, man must chop. Bad as it bad, we go do a joro. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show.
My lord, I greet you, man. I greet you. My lord, I present this case to this honorable court. This is a case between Madam Paulina here and your mother.
Correct yourself.
Ma?
Court clerk, correct yourself.
Okay, sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. This is a case between Madam Paulina here and Mrs. Agnes. Madam, it is said and proven that your mother here, sorry, ma, that Madam Agnes here left her house, left everything, leave everything where she they do for her house, move straight to the market where Madam Paulina is doing her business. She went there to cause chaos.
It's not chaos, it's chaos.
Okay, sorry.
Chaos.
She went there to cause chaos. Scattered everything where this woman used to do business. To the extent of throwing away her garri. Throw away her garri. Everything where she dey say. I swear to you, man. And this thing now is proven. In fact, if you need evidence choke. There are so many market women there who will gladly, willingly come out here to stand as witness for this woman in case there's any doubt. I'm telling you.
Meto,
Ma?
who do you think I am?
You are the law carrier now. The greatest of them all. Law proposer.
Okay.
Law propeller.
So why do you not go to the extent that you are saying you are going to call all the market women to this place to explain to me?
No verse. Oh, you feel I'm alone. I think say you go need evidence or people to say na true I been a lie. No verse. I'm sorry.
Mrs. Agnes, stand up.
With immediate effect.
The court found you guilty for the crime you committed. And for that, you are going to pay the sum of 20,000 naira.
How?
Or 15 years imprisonment.
Jesus.
Why Mrs. Paulina? Shay?
Yes, ma'am.
Paulina. Miss Paulina.
My lord.
The court has charged you 10,000 naira for the case he has solved for you.
No problem.
And Miss Agnes, I hereby charge you to pay the damages that you have caused in this woman's shop. And the law says, if any of the crime you committed and you did not pay for the things you damages, you are going to go for 15 years.
15.
Damage. Court.
Order.
Why you judge this case like this now? Why you judge am like this? Eh?
Jesus.
Court. Dismiss.
Order.
I don't understand. Why you judge the case like that? Now me start the fight. That's all you dey do. I don't blame you. I
Power.
don't blame you at all.
Legal and illegal practitioner.
Shebi you eat wig now.
Legal and
You know
illegal.
free or no? I go see you for inside. Just match, go inside, go wait for me because I dey come there to meet you.
The general.
You dey
I
I don't blame you.
don't
You no be say I bomb buffoon. You no go there here.
I don't win you now. I win.
You win wetin?
You got Kogwa.
I go pay o.
You pay.
Na the year why I get
Hey,
the money.
yes.
Yes.
You
Na the year
pay.
why I get the money now I go pay you.
What you
You dey craze so. You no get sense at all.
Altercation, another crime. Shebi una don take quarrel. Another crime. No, I'm taking note. Continue. Instead of you to go and get money, you are here talking. Altercation. Against the law. No, inhuman. Dehumanization. Touch her now. You matter here with deformation. If you touch her, you will know what is deformation.
Come, make I tell you something. Not be me go take that. Not me go take do that rubbish show. You dey hear me so? Not be me. Who you be? Why I no go touch you?
Character assassination.
Guinea.
Human deformity.
Hey!
Deformation of character.
You dey mad?
No, touch me now, man. Law.
Wetin go happen? That's why wetin go happen.
You are not a respecter of the law. You are not. We will force you to respect the law.
You dey craze.
We will bend you.
Okay. Shebi na crime I commit now. Eh? Na crime.
You don't know before. On a fake.
You good now. Shebi I don get 15 years. You good.
Without parole.
So if I use cane now scatter your head, njekotazie hancha nanga. So make I beat you on top so that in lose here I go the whole prison once. For what?
Country had na hustle like this.
Pia. You know say me, I no sabi hide my mouth. And I no sabi hide my heart at all. You see that thing where you do me, I no like am. I no like am. Just see the kind disgrace where you disgrace me today. Just embarrass me. See the way where you just do me. Can't therefore in front of my enemy. Find me guilty. Can't do I like say you don't know who I be. Because they give face to stranger. Upon say I even beg you say make you not form my steeze and composure. You see go do am. You know be better person. You know be better person. Get out so.
Wait, you know the complaints this morning. You know the tire.
I know the tire.
You know the tire.
I know the tire because you know tire when you disgrace me today. So I no go tire to tell you say you know be better pikin.
Before you dey insult me, don't do. Make I explain and give you sure.
Explain wetin.
Make am clear for you. How much court say make you pay?
20,000 and no because na you.
How much they tell that woman make he pay?
Imagine 10,000. You even find me pass her. Me where be your mama?
Mama, calm down now. Make I explain. Give you calm down. They do the counts.
They talk.
Okay. You know say that time when you say you see me, where should they give me money? Now how much she give me?
I be winch.
Oh, yeah, calm down. Make I explain. I'll give you. She give me 20,000 for her to win case against you. So 20 plus 10, now how much?
30,000.
So the 20,000 where I say make you pay, you pay them?
Where I see money to pay them.
Okay. She don't pay 30,000. And me, I know say you no go pay the 20,000 where I tell you make you pay. So I won't make she trust me well, so that she go fit tell other people.
Hey, wait. And now I understand what you they try talk. So this case now, we don't get 30,000.
Yes,
just
so.
like that.
Yes, so.
Hey! Oh, I talk am say no how where you no go get my brain. No. You dey sharp. Oh. Hey! I bless the day where I born you. Hey! Apart from the fact say you no tall. You no get floor.
Mama, waiting. Waiting now.
Person no they play with you. Forget that thing.
Make I still remind you. I know say she go tell other people where you they fight, where you and then they do cataracts for them. So go tell other people, may they come here, say I be trustworthy. So get ready. More case they come against you.
Forget that one. See, any case where comes now, we go to use this format. Find me guilty. Tell me say I go pay, I no go mind. In fact, you see for this, I go dey guilty all the time.
You go get the time where I go tell you make you pay. Your eye go come aside.
You no go try
sorry,
go try am. Hey! Chineke nna. Money where we go share, now you take split the count to the match.
Mama, rest now.
Money where to afford go share. You come up from here.
I'm not like this, I'm not like this.
Country had na hustle like this.
Anything I will say here today will be the truth and nothing but the truth.
Country had na hustle like this.
Man, explain to me what happened.
So my lord.
My lord. Come, Your Honor. I mean, see, you go to do fast. This judgment, you go to cut myself.
People full outside. Let me tell them where they line up. All those people will give their hand. They don't full outside.
You know, especially this thing. Oh,
where is the court police?
I don't know where that one put it, show. I don't know where he go. Madam,
Yes, my lord.
your case has been adjourned to next week.
Bam.
Thank you, my lord.
Cut.
Order.
Next. Next.
No, they find trouble. Hey! Some people don't shut up. That's just pack yourself. You don't even make noise again. That's just pack yourself inside shell like saying you thought it's in the ah, God. Just you just talk like say you get sense. You don't get anything. See, look, I tell you something, eh? You better say you close your mouth. Make people from afar they get say idiot. Than for you to open mouth, talk, come confirm to them, say true, you be fool. You pass idiot. Because as you talk now, for your mind now you get sense, you talk better thing now. I don't blame you. Now you be tortoise. In fact, remember, you be chameleon. You don't say as I see you from afar. I be one digitally pass. Because you know as body they do if I decide to touch you, you know now. You know. You go do anything. You know go do anything. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. In fact, if you talk about your mother, I'm carrying you go court. You know now. You can carry me go court? Yes. That same court? Yes, sir. And you go still pay. You don't pay? You own na prison. I don't need to tell you what's up. Anyway, see, make I tell you. You know matter if bush rats run today because tomorrow na still hunting day. Yes, to catch bush rats any day, anytime you dey possible. Me? I no run now. See me stand here. I no run now. I like you. See as you no just waste time. You come gree with your foot and say you be bush rats. If na that one, I don okay for today. See you tomorrow. Waka! That one is just like that. Waka! Banza! Nonsense! Stupid woman!
Papi, I couldn't see the lawyer judge. The both of us went there together, yet I couldn't see her. I'm not happy.
Chinwen, it's because we are not sharp enough. Didn't you see the way I fought to make sure I met that?
I saw it. Yes, it was so clear that you fought and you couldn't fight for me as your friend. You saw the crowd, yet you couldn't fight for me. I am not happy.
You saw the crowd, so you couldn't fight for me. I am not happy because I'm the one that used to eat your food. Now, when they give you food to eat, you used to put it in my own mouth instead of your own.
That's not what I mean.
See, I am so glad I met that girl. That girl is so good. Just that she's expensive. But you know,
expensive?
With her, yes, now, but with her you must get justice. Yeah. Justice is sure.
Oh, Amaka, I don't know if this is true, but I want to ask you because you've gone. I heard that you must have to swear juju in order not to lie. Is it true?
Chinwo, of course, so that's the truth.
Ha.
That was the first thing I did before any other thing. And you know that they said people brought cases of her mother to her, yet she delivered justice.
You don't mean it?
I swear. I think that woman will not go around this village looking for people's trouble
exactly,
again.
that serves her right. You know, this is not just a good news to me, but to the entire community.
Yes, so.
That woman has really been a terror to everyone that come across her. Yeah. No, this serves her right. I'm so happy.
And the thing is, I am so glad I met her. Just that my case has been adjourned to next week Monday. Yeah. And they said I should come back with 45,000 naira. So let me go and look for money now.
I remember you told me you paid 25,000 naira. Plus 45,000. That's approximately 70,000.
Yes.
Are you going to give them 70,000?
Chinwe, I'm going to pay anything. No.
That's too much now.
Chinwe, I will pay anything, even when it means to clear up my savings. I will. To get justice against that my useless boyfriend. Do you know what that boy did to me?
I know. Are you
Hey,
telling
so
me?
what are you
afraid
saying now? What are you saying?
But it's too much.
Let it be too much because I have to get justice and I must get justice. I will deal with that boy. The way he dealt with me, I will double it and deal with him more than the way he did to me.
But do you know why I'm happy? I'm happy that we now have a lawyer in this community that will give all of us.
Don't make sense. That's why I say make I complain this thing. Person go dey work for government. We go dey work suffer for government. Now we now go with the government official and we go come dey collect injustice. Does it make sense? It don't make sense now. See you with the problem.
See as I dey look, you no get sense. If na me be you, I go just zip my mouth and no go talk. Pen. See you when they talk. You no go school. You no achieve anything. They come manage give you work for inside court where you suppose get job. They happy. You dey here, they complain. You know how many people wey dey do fasting and prayer for this work wey you get? You know how many people wey dey run kitty kata up and down wey dem get work they no see?
Wetin person no know pass am. You no know say government work na the more you look the less you see. The more wey I don dey look into this job now, no be 7,000 I see. No be the less 7K now I see. Who see me na go think say money full this work? Wetin be this? It doesn't make sense now. Protest go start o. Very soon now we go protest. Where that Makachi dey say? We go start protest.
I no blame you at all. You dey see 7K, na you dey complain. What of me wey be 5K dem dey pay me? I don complain.
You wey no know value of money, wetin you dey complain for? No be you dey used to small things na. You always okay with the delay. You say wetin?
Wetin you mean by that? No, wetin you mean by that? You know wetin this law don take for my hand? You know how this law don bend me? You know say normal me, you know as I dey settle case na, I go take slap and beat to settle the case once and for all. People dey fear me. But since this law enter inside the whole thing, nobody dey fear me again because they don bend me and they fit do anything. The other day I see Paulina for road, she just dey run her mouth so like that. I no fit do anything. Normal being, you know as I go take treat her.
Abeg, no vex. Who you say law bend?
The law no bend me.
Bend you go where? So who beat Mama Onyinye yesterday? Beat am beyond repair.
Una hear?
Our ear block. You think say we no hear? Don't worry, we have already prepared a suit for you.
Na because say my hand don dey scratch me. I needed to stretch my hand. E don tey. Besides, I know say that woman no get money, so she no go fit come court.
That is why you beat am like who in Mama Town.
She need am. She need am. See, make I tell you, they need to dey teach people lesson, whether by hook or by crook. Even the law talk am.
For which paragraph is it?
When Makachi come, you go ask am that one.
Okay, you don't even know where it is. You go dey take the laws into your hand. You go dey beat person. Assault, woman assault.
For here.
No problem. Shebi you don't know the law and you break am.
Wetin that one come mean?
We go break your head.
Okay. Abeg.
Your head. See as your hair should go one side.
Sure. Oh my God. I go see another thing.
Hey, I'm here, my love. I'm you. Hi, the most beautiful girl in this our community. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the court to look for you now, but I didn't see anybody there.
I'm not there. I went out. Our Lord sent me out. She sent me to go and get one or two. But if you went there, you would have seen her now. You foresee I'm with the prison warder. They are there taking cases.
I didn't see anybody there now.
Ah.
But as I was coming back, I saw them at Mama Nkechi's restaurant eating.
Chiregwa, You saw them doing what? Spitting.
Clark, I saw them eating. Food.
Eating as in eating food.
No.
Did you see them remove any money?
I didn't see that. I just looked around for you and I didn't see you.
And they were eating. Eating food.
Yes.
Hey! I'm coming.
Betu? Something now. Oh, this is what I just met now.
Don't waste that food. Don't waste that. You know, say, the money will go back. Make them get back. Don't waste that. It's fast. Even if your hand is short, you don't fit to do that. Very careful. They say on the message. So this thing not true.
Waiting.
So not true. So not true. So waiting this girl talk not true. When I get mind, carry the money where we make, government money where we make, come here, come hide, come the job, come leave me behind, Abi. Money where we hustle, government money where we hustle make. When I go carry and come the job by kum, come leave me behind, monkey the work. Una wey be babu the job, Abi.
Who be babu?
Monkey the work, una babu the job. Abi.
Oh, who be babu?
Your mama left me. Okay. Now when I get this money, where will I tell the chop this thing?
Our salary.
Now your salary. Which year salary be that one? Which government they pay you money on the 18th? Middle of the month, now government don't already pay you. Who do you want to take that one?
My friend, make I hear what? I don't even understand you. We collect our salary in advance.
Yes.
So that by the end of the month, government to counterbalance. Now make we take out the chop. If you two want chop, you go collect your own salary. To make you know, say by the end of the month, nothing for you.
You don't see Junior now. You see Bomboy where you go feel life for that kind of life for. How much be your salary where you go feel take afford 3 cow head, afford Fanta Coke, everything. Even if today na feast of Passover, where we go take buy 8 bottles like this one on one chop. Which kind thing be this one? Which kind of rubbish be this one? It doesn't make sense, you know. They tell me say government give you, why would I not collect my own percentage for that percentage we go afford all this kind of thing? How much did they pay on for collect my own too? Can wickedness be that?
Collect your own. If you collect your own, what you go do?
You want to collect your own, you don't get what you do. That one concern you.
You won't even tell us say we want collect your own.
All these things don't make sense. I don't they like
Why you don't want
this kind of thing, you know. When I go down the cheat person, like say person no be human being.
Why you? Why? Now what? Why you dey touch my food? Why you dey touch my food? Be careful, oh. You get big eye. You don't see bones. You don't see bones.
I don't see bones. I don't see bones. Order my own food though, because I dey get emotional issues. So order my own food. Maybe I will not begin quarrel here. I don't want to get issues with one. I dey get temper issue here.
That emotional issue, I go to see come up forever.
See, just wait to make we chop finish. We go carry you go to the office. Make you collect your own money.
When I know they do that, you know, it doesn't make sense. So my lord, they get us.
What do you want to do?
Can you take it short?
You want to try him? You don't come in your Lord. Acts chapter 4 verse 6. He said,
Madam, this make I tell you, Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 9, what did they talk? Genesis 12, Leviticus 14, Proverbs 19, what did they talk? You know, they put out of
where the proverb dey?
where they are today. Out of which?
Let me give you my log.
Leviticus 13, he said there's not a sharing.
1 minute, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm looking for someone. I don't know. I've forgotten her name. She's very short and mischievous.
Short.
I heard she's from this village.
Very mischievous.
I heard she's from this village.
I don't know anybody of such. Maybe you will ask around.
Okay, thank you.
This one, I sabi the work well. The oil is good. If not this government work, like this thing is supposed to do. You get their face, see money who I am. You get their face, see money who I am. Hey! No! Now you were supposed to ask, why you dey run? You see what thing you're not supposed to see. Damn, police not the cop. Most ladies here never commit. You know what you born, now you go. You go ask that question. No, what's up, bro? That is a very few. Hey! Another lie. Just want make I cover this shit. Don't make I not believe come out yourself. You die here. Now, meanwhile, you carry this potato to go back here. Safety first. For safety. For safety, make I go down. For safety. Oh, hold on. My madam! Hero! Legendary! Number one! My madam! What's in there? This one where you don't speak carry concept like this. You never read. You don't know say time don't reach for you to begin do your work everywhere.
Brother, I don't tire. I join all cases to next week.
I don't understand. You are joining which case to next week?
I don't understand. I mean, they ask that kind of question.
No, all the clients who manage carry come here. Now you, for sure of them, say you are joining case. Which kind? Huh? You say, Make I warn you. Make I give you last warning now. Make you not be saying if you reach next 1 month end, then you go to tell me story about my model. Here you go get a serious problem. I know if you use good mood, they do this job already. Here you feel go get problem. I know why you tell you.
Don't do. Don't insult me for my own. Oh yeah. One day go.
Make I dey go.
One day go.
No wahala. Now when month to end, we go know. And now you go know what you do yourself. No problem. Make I dey go.
Man, excuse me.
Who be young man? Bros, look me well. Who you call young man? Be like say something they even worry una. Be like say if una mistakenly buy this on a 300,000-400,000 naira motor to insult people go be the next. Which kind nonsense talk be that one? My age no dey show.
You look me finish like this, they call me young man. On to waiting now. Stop that kind of talk with me. I know they like him.
You are very funny. Well, I'm sorry.
Now when you don't talk, say you are sorry. That one now I go fee. That fee see now I go take that one. My name na Meto. Wetin be your problem?
Metu? As Metusela or what?
Bros, wetin be your own now? Wetin be your own? If you not get why you stop me, they go your way now. Which one I tell you my name? You want make I still explain the meaning of my name to you? Whether na Metusela or Metric, wetin concern you? Talk wetin carry you come abeg. I get where they go. As you dey see me so hunger wey hold me now. Na hunger they drive me. They go like this. Na hunger as you dey see me they move now. Na hunger they push me. So talk fast make I dey go. Yeah, get anger issue inside my mind now.
Well, I can help you if you could help me also.
Wait. You can help me as in you can give me money where I fit take job.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So wetin be your problem? Wetin be the matter?
Metu, I'm looking for someone, a girl. She's very short, brief and mischievous also.
Hold on. You are looking for a girl. She is short.
Yes.
Then brief and mischievous. I think I know her.
You know her?
I know her. Make I tell you, see all these things where you bring now, all these characters where you talk, You no get another person for this community where get all these characters and more. If no be my Lord.
Your Lord?
My Lord and personal Savior. Shebi, you say she's short.
Yes.
Come brief. Come mischievous.
Nice.
Now my Lord be that. Now my Lord.
Please, where can I find this your Lord?
She did her chamber now. She is the Odogu of the law court. The I am that I am. Momewa of the law. You want to see her?
Yes.
So have fun now. Waiting you talk. You give me one small promise. You say you go give me money while I go take.
You don't need to worry yourself about that. I will take care of you. I will give you anything you want. Just come inside.
You don't need to worry yourself too about me taking you to my Lord. But you need to bring the team. Make I see him.
Don't worry yourself.
Seeing
Just
is
come in.
believing.
Come in. Let's go. Sure.
Make I come into your car.
Come inside.
Don't say no be Yahoo boy. You know they use me do Yahoo. I know my blood know the na liquid it be. Once you try them, you don't go. Akachi! Akachi! My Lord! Come. Akachi, came now, come.
Yes! Come back here. Akachi, so this is where you are hiding.
Now what? What did happen for you? What did happen for you? Which trouble? Oga, who you be?
Madam, is this your daughter?
It depends on the situation. Forget him.
Madam, if this is your daughter, then she's a thief.
Meaning? I don't understand. Maybe I kiss Motonia. The man say, Makachina, I bring her. I don't think send a client. Place where you go judge matter. He's a lawyer now. Makachina, you tell me say he's a lawyer. What did they happen now?
Madam, if you must know, I am Barrister Lawrence by name.
I'm not all they put to tension for person body. Like you say, who they work for the same government,
The same chamber,
the same barrister.
Government. Who and who is working in the same government? This girl here used to work for me in the city. That's my cleaner.
Wait. You say wait. As what?
My cleaner.
As clearance officer be cleaner. Which one be cleaner? Makachi?
Cleaner.
Now you tell me say you be lawyer. Wetin this one they talk now? Hey.
Kachi, yes. I met her on the street. She said that both parents died in a car accident. Hey, young girl. Are you okay?
I feel like say my destiny helper don't show.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm very hungry.
What about your parents? What are you doing here?
I lost my both parents in a car accident.
Oh my God. What about your extended family?
Thank you. I hope I did you. I'm good. I didn't go very
That's terrible.
Sir,
What is that?
sir, please. I can walk. I can do anything. I can work out. I can sleep. I can walk. Do anything. I need work.
Jehovah El Shaddai.
Oga, you see that thing where she tell you, not true. Yes, her papa and her mama die for accident. She don't get mama, she don't get papa. If I knock you,
like
she don't get parents.
Kachi? Have I ever treated you bad? I treated you like my own daughter, like my own family. I clothed you, I took you in, I gave you shelter and everything you needed. But you choose to pay me back with evil. If I forget, here are my certificates.
Carry and come back. Hey! I talk and say this girl something. I dey get these feelings about this. I beg close mouth. You go talk. I talk say na you go bring our down for. You go that
Where you carry this one?
Show you that for don reach you. You dey close. You go see am. Hey! This bag wey you take dey
So
fall.
no be you get the bag.
Hey! Check am o.
Oga, Now you get the lawyer wig.
That is my
Yeah. Don't bring the wig, thief. Don't bring the wig.
That can for center of his brain. Like
I'm
it's
here.
that kind.
Hey!
Nice. So you are the mother. I thought you said you don't know her.
I thought you said it depends on the situation.
Come on. I will not take loss into my hands, okay? Give me a second. Hello, Mr. DPO. I saw. Oh, you are running. Don't worry, I will get you. I will get you arrested.
That's my will. DPO come village with him. I hear him.
You see what you cause? Shebi, you see what you cause? Now God then go punish you. You see you. God go punish you. Punish that your mama will not train you where you take grace. Eh? Come on, shut up that your mouth or say so. I talk am. When I born you, you dey pincho like this, like rats. At that time, I know say you go bring shame and trouble to this family. Oh my God, now. So, yeah, you be thief. Hey! Oh, so you be thief. You dey lucky. You dey lucky say they no born you for that era when they say if they catch you as thief, they go kill you by fire sword. Nya, a kid on that drum. Wow, canini. Eh? This man, he makes it for you because it's not me. Now you thief my certificate. If I come here, I'm not gonna speak English with you now. I go just go find fire will be your size. I go put down for your neck, hang down well. How much is some way or come? Because you are not good for anything. Just see the trouble when you put person for now. Eh?
Ma, why they talk like this now? Why they talk like this? They talk as if they don't be told go shop with money. When I beg you to join me, I don't beg you. And you say you won't join me. I should join me now. What's to go happen? Not be just so the catch so.
You can I feel the honor. Oh, okay, now so you take too much to talk. I'll join what you will ever near for the what you do. I don't blame you. If God no punish you, make I know why. I know of you. In fact, you know what will happen? As you day now, you go inside. Yes! Go make sure say that the people where that man come. Say he never reach here. Or he don't come go. Say coast, stay clear. Handle it.
Mama, follow me on all of us shop money.
Follow you as what? I know who you be. You don't tell the man say your mama don't die. I don't know who you be.
Why you go to shop money?
If I don't practice
Country had a hustle like this.
We think of concern this kind of small for one night. I for them on my own. They look for my small trouble. They throw away Gary up and down. Finish.
Country had a hustle like this. Make you not think I'm not case are there. If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I don't come to play. Only me not judge, only me not law. Hunger hook me for neck like bow tie. It come be like say me I won't buy. Make I come the reason this format. Only me not judge, only me not law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like this. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like this.
I don't see anybody to forget.
What's happening? Why you change clothes? Eh?
I know, you know, say the man, say woke up police. And if you call police now, as I just see this my clothes so like this, you're not going to recognize me.
Yes, you. You know, say the only thing where do your head like criminality. Like criminal things now fool your head. Okay, you dey selfish. Okay, you don't want to change clothes. When they don't know who you be, you think say by cloth as you short now, you think say nobody will recognize you. You don't even think what of me. You know, ask me whether I want to change my own clothes. I'm off here. I talk am say nothing good will ever come out from where you dey. I talk am. See, make I tell you, nothing say you deceive me. I know say you no be lawyer anything. Who dash you lawyer? Now the money will make me go dey fool myself with you. See the wahala why I don't put myself. You see am? Tell me you see am? Criminal lawyer. See the nonsense wey you just put yourself.
My own past and bell. Country had na hustle like that. Man must chop. Bad as it bad, we go to Ojoro.
So you're grumbling like this, what is it?
Your clerk. Ami, how are you?
So your face is like this, what is it?
The clerk where you come in. A lady clerk, I've been waiting with that.
Metu now, I'm not a clerk again.
My dear, I'm a fake clerk. You see, as you see me, so I don't know, say I no be anything close to court clerk for this my life. I no be anything near court clerk.
Metu, stop. Stop playing. This is not play.
Which one be stop playing? You see that girl where they follow? That our Lord and personal Savior. Fake! Waiting at the tell you na total fake. That girl never near anything will be book of law before. He never read anything will be law book. If he see himself, he no go feel recognize him. Fake! I'm even more lawyer. I'm more lawyer than her. You know, I'm more lawyer than her.
It's my money, my 70,000.
Your 70,000. Where do waiting?
The money I paid for the case to fight my boyfriend now.
Go there, go collect them. Go there, go collect them. Come on for road.
It's my money now. Which one is go there, go collect them?
Why you dey jack me now?
It's my money. You were there when I paid the money.
Now me you give the money.
You were working with them.
If I was there, only me there when you. Now me you give the money. I beg.
People should give me my money. I don't understand what you're saying, you know.
Madam, let me advise you. You better go there while your money still in her hand. If you waste time here, people go plenty. You go know whether if you send her 70,000, now 3,000 feel reach you.
Me to stop now. My money.
Let me go when your money go feel still reach your hand.
But which one is going?
Okay, waste your time. Waste your time. Make you know whether you go see shishi.
My own past and bell. My own past and bell. Country had na hustle like that. My own past and bell. Country had na hustle like that. My own past and bell. Country had na hustle like that.
What is it? My money is gone. Everything is gone. My 70,000.
Talk to me now. What is it?
My 70,000.
What happened to your 70,000?
They've taken my money.
Who? Talk to me now. I don't understand what you're saying. Who stole your money?
Kachi and her mother. Do you know that Kachi and her mother has been extorting money from the whole villagers with lies?
Hey!
Kachi was never a lawyer.
Ah! I knew it.
She was just an ordinary cleaner. Chinwe, ordinary cleaner.
Ah!
Stole the documents of the lawyer she was working for and came to this village to
I knew
deceive us.
something was wrong. I knew something was not right with her judgment. Ah! Thank God I did not go to her again. This is wrong. I warned you, Amaka. I told you.
The villagers are already going to their house to vandalize everything.
If that be the case, let's go.
If you carry come, I swear you must pay. I know they look face, I don't come to play. Only me not judge, only me not law. Hunger hook me for neck like bowtie. It come be like say me I won't buy. I make I come the reason this format. Only me not judge, only me not law. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise you go pay fine. Na cash you go pay, I be na wire. Oh, as a show. My own past, charge and bail. Country had na hustle like that.
Wasted effort. Can you imagine? Wasted effort. Eh? You do go left, do go right. You succeed is the problem. Hey. Life. Life on talk. One talk. Sorry. Danger.
Bad as it bad, we go to Ojoro. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash, you go pay. I be na wire, oh, as a show. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. Put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash, you go pay. I be na wire, oh, as a show. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. If you look me well, you gon' see say na street are there. Anyhow, man must chop. Bad as it bad, we go to Ojoro. I put it to you, you must go jail. Otherwise, you go pay fine. Na cash, you go pay. I be na wire, oh, as a show. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that. My own pass, charge and bail. Country hat na hustle like that.